for we to worry you. Every time I go arrange room finish. You go scatter am. If you want to come.
What did I bother you? So you don't want to come out for this one room? You don't want to come out for this one room? You want that here? Eh? You don't even take something to get head. What did I bother you? Money me and you don't get. You don't even respect yourself. So don't make me the remember say me I not get money.
If you want to come out for one room, pack go another place, we'll go scatter the one we first get.
Now, listen to me, you first, Abi. One night I will not get. Even me. Oh my yori. Come and not get to maintain that girl. They make me think, I don't like her, Not try me again.
You talk that true, but we don't kill ourselves. We dey try. The way me and my own they go now, I don't see her finish. One day, wait till be one day, very soon, that babe go sack me. He go sack me for lack of money for pockets. But what the man of you do now? God's time is the best.
You see it? That's what they talk about. God's time is the best. When be the God time? Which time God time go come? Talk now. All of us, our friends, as they take starts, they don't come up for the waiting of the God time. Now, na God time, and they pursue them now. Oh, look at my yori. I don't like give this girl so even the girl don't tire from my lying. You don't tire. I don't even get another lie where I go lie. See John Jude. John Jude now, he don't try struggle. Go buy golf.
Happy water when yes, happy water when they drive.
See your mouth. You dey call him motor pure water and you don't get.
Now me name and pure water, no wetin they call am.
You get money, follow call am pure water. You get machine. You get tire. Now anything when money no dey in pocket, go take a run like this.
Now your God time don't come now. We go wait for our own. That yori way you talk like say now you dey suffer am. You don't see me give my babe any money since. I will not die, no rotting.
You see it? Man will not die, no rotting. Poor man prayer. You don't go even do something when they say God go see that you don't do something. God they help those when they help themselves. You don't know. Wake up! Wake up, my brother.
I don't like as they talk like say we know they try. So if government give you Bible now say, okay, write the names of lazy people where you know, you go put our names? We know they try. For this town now, to survive, we don't push wheelbarrow. So that we go fit eat, we don't sell firewood. Well, cool down. When our time come, you say we'll see her now.
Yeah.
Bros there. We'll stay today.
I see as people just rush us, drink your water. Calculator.
Enough later, no?
1, 2, 3. 150 now, you don't know money again. Keep her for one place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 plus 150. 250. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 300. Keep up. 350. Put them now. So where the other money?
Which other one?
This is not the change now. Where the major money like 1,500? All those ones with them.
Now from there we chop. Now can't go pay for the way we carry. We don't pay for. You know, remember say we don't pay for the way we carry.
Novice. The work where me and you go since morning. Now this thing where now we say.
Can't chop.
It be like say I know they understand.
Now the gain I be this.
What they ask me say as 2 men go work since morning, they run for hot afternoon, go to nearly jam us. Now this thing I be the gain.
I said this one again. We don't.
You dey craze. When I just I don't want to combine business with somebody, go be like say I dey suspect you. So now this thing, person go sell, marry, sell, born children, put them for school, sell, build house inside this 350 naira. You dey craze.
Where did they go?
Where go you dey go? Any day when you suggest any other thing to me again, if I don't come out your eye, make you call me bastard. Waka,
Metus,
idiot.
where did they go now? Go carry the water now. Even if I drink one drink, you drink up. Metus.
We not try. Answer now, we not try.
Don't try.
I tell you something. Nothing they there.
I remember the days when we will take leg walker for the whole evening with the same pure water. Don't try. Okay. We'll take for something better. We'll take for something better. We'll use our head.
Nothing there again now. We don't do everything. We don't try everything.
So many things we will never touch. So many.
Like?
We don't discuss about 419. 419. We never think we can do it.
Oh, but you know what they talk?
419. What's in the inside?
Yahoo.
What's it difficult? Eh? The way we understand the Yahoo and they go, we go they follow them the Yahoo and same road, same route. We they follow them.
Okay. You go school.
What do you mean?
Oh, you just said that they just go do Yahoo.
You don't underrate me, or the thing they vex me, you don't underrate me.
You just said that this guy coconut braid, they think they trick Oyibo to bring money come out. Okay, what if we decide to do one? EFCC or even police catch us? What do we explain?
Which kind of nonsense be this?
You see the kind nonsense suggestions what they bring. When I tell you say one day you go put us for trouble.
Leave that one first. Where the papers?
Which papers?
The one where you hold.
I don't know where I'm now.
Hi!
I want to jump that face.
Oh,
I know everything.
So how this is that? What was over finished now?
They catch me.
Shut up!
Make I defend paper.
Hi!
As I want to jump that fence, I throw everything.
Where the people? Hey! We don't lose them. Hey, I mean, call this much.
Guy, forget that thing. We no go fit. We no go fit. Instead, why I go do this thing? It better I could go register for all this employment of normal drivers. All these people they pursue Malu from bush to bush. It better pass. Guy, leave. Now leave that way they talk. Don't they hungry?
That hunger now when you talk doesn't enter my ear. Because I don't see the hunger for your word, for your language, and your face. Unfortunately, we will not eat anything for house.
Man, are they hungry? If you don't let me talk.
We just walk out, go that place where that woman they cook. We look whether she don't start to cook. That's it.
See. We just go see.
We will not they buy, and just to stand there. We will stand there like we will smell the food. The soup and the stew smell and well. You know, so when you smell soup like this, even if like say that you cook them, the smell will not enter your body to eat and go even tire you.
Aroma.
Yes.
Go belefu us. Aroma they form shit.
No, give them a trial. Besides, it go be. You go surprise say we go see all these big men when we go order food, you don't go get appetite to chop them. As we say they wash hand like this, we rush. Carry them. If the woman get the show one time, we'll tell her say, now all of us follow come. You can say, you won't go drop them for where they wash them. On that place, bam. Go come like this. Before the woman they find out say no be for where they wash. Now you go drop them. You go don't go the food half. Once more you went enter your belly like this, go a long way.
Remnant.
What do you mean remnant?
Maybe we go to chop remnant.
What did they say?
Supposing now epilepsy patient chop and remain.
Which epileptic person? You know, if you don't let them go outside, go where put the chop, go chop.
All this kind of remnant eating suggestion where they bring so. Maybe we not go eat wait TB patient eat remain. You know all these TB people they know if he eat plenty.
How many people we don't ever say somebody die because he chop food when somebody chop remain for hotel? Other people when they serve for there for don't die finish.
Not be say I don't want eat. I just
you know the hungry.
This remnant size so we don't go chop food way.
Which kind of person? Papa chop food, remain for son. For someone and person in the shop.
You and who be Papa and son? You are TB patient?
No, nothing difference. Now human being. My Yoris, Afana.
Just go where you left me. I need to see you again now.
I need to talk like that. You know, say my own self tight. Business related in zero again.
So now that's what they do the love now, Abi?
No, I'm still with you, my Yori. I'm still with you, my Yoris.
I'm missing you so much, my love.
If you see the way I take love you,
I mean now.
I swear to God Almighty.
It's okay, I believe you so much, honey. Okay, you know what you could do for me, I beg, eh? Could you just in for this phone? Now, if you help me send me credit.
Credit? Okay, I'll send it.
Okay. I love you so much. Alright, see ya.
I love you too. This girl go kill me one day.
She say waiting.
I send credit to give her.
That is a recharge card. Send them now. Send them. That babe don't try for you. Send them.
Shut up. You don't ever meet her one day. Not be how we take go chop now the plaza.
I don't need to meet them. See, if you the friend babe, you go to give her things. We go to make her mind sweet. This girl not they ask you for anything. Wait, come out the charge card. How much? Maybe 1.5. Now you know if you no, don't try it. Send them.
Shut up. Make go chop. I bet make go find something.
So this suggestion we are bringing now, you not good. Shut up. Talk rubbish. You stingy for yourself, stingy for your babe.
Papa Magnus, you go try. I better make you try. At least these children go school now.
Waiting I never do. Where I never go borrow money. I go kill myself. Even if na me kill Jesus, I suppose suffer like this.
Now your responsibility. Now your cross. So you go carry on.
Now me say it don't reach time when I go publish my obituary for newspaper.
I'll be waiting.
Publish my obituary for newspaper so I don't die.
Because they say make you take care of your children. Now they go publish your name for obituary. Hey. But Papa Magnus, why you no go meet your brother Kevin? Where they for government house? If it help you.
Kevin. Since the time when me and you they live for this house, you don't see Kevin ever come here.
Now person will get problem. Now they go meet person will won't help him. You know say these big men know they like to visit poor people.
But now my younger brother.
Papa, forget waiting Uncle Kevin did. Go big and make it help us simple.
Nothing they happen, no matter waiting it be. My yori must confess too, cause I don't want to Dundee. When we did together, chai, my body they scatter. Even hustle where they hustle, never you my baby girl. My yori, my sweet baby, my everything, my baby.
Hey, you don't go anywhere. Which kind of liability? Now so we go sniff order of food, sniff, we go believe you.
You go fit do something for me.
Waiting.
No, do something by faith.
How?
Just walk inside. Enter inside this place. Chop by faith.
We go walk inside this restaurant. Eat. Then when we chop finish, they say we money, we tell them say we now by faith we chop them.
Leave that one for me.
I know say police station they hungry you. Not me and you will go on.
Customer, Why are you standing outside? Please come inside. We have what you need inside. Please come inside.
We this one I never cook.
No problem. There's food inside. Just come inside.
Please don't give us food inside.
Food day. Everything where you need it, day inside. Open and come inside. I beg. Come inside.
Yes. What can I get?
What can we do?
I'll go chop pounded yam.
Pounded yam day.
Now get bush meat.
Bush meat day. Assorted meat day.
Put 2.
Okay, no problem.
Bush meat.
Okay.
Fish day.
Fish day, everything day. And your friend too?
Poor fish, the same thing.
Huh? Same thing. Yes, same thing.
Okay, and they come.
The chicken there, make you put chicken.
Okay, no problem, customer.
We go finish am.
We go vote. If you want make I go meet Kevin, my younger brother, bring down myself like beggar. Go beg am for money. Raise your hand.
No. Majority don't carry the vote. Now be say you go.
I know they go. Whether all of una vote yes or no, I know they go.
You go.
Papa, you no fit say no when the house don't vote finish.
Yeah, so, Papa, you know if you say no, you must go. You must go see Uncle Kelvin because you must go back to school. So you must go.
Q-E-D. Full stop.
I don't talk am. I know they go.
Papa, you go. You go.
Hi, man. Culture table water. Oh, very nice.
Nado, I hope you enjoy the meal.
Very well.
Nado.
Hey, madam.
God will bless you.
Amen. Do well.
Now you get this restaurant by yourself, abi you inherit
Me get am na my restaurant.
Now you open up by yourself.
Na me get am. This one na Mama Carry Go restaurant. Na me get am. I no inherit am.
You get another branch.
Ami.
And another branch.
Ami.
And another branch.
Ami.
And another branch.
Ami. Na do well.
Very nice.
Thank you.
The only thing I taste where this place be say you not dey sell beer. To say you dey sell beer.
I dey sell beer o. We dey sell beer.
Na lie. You dey sell beer.
I dey sell beer. I dey sell good. I dey sell stand.
Oh, see this woman. You don't know what you can do. Bring beer like tutu.
Okay, if customer dey come.
Don't tell us say you dey sell beer. Abeg 2 bottles.
Okay. Where these people? Where they enter?
Now what do you want to talk? Now what do you want to talk with this? Ah no, this thing bad. Who see bad thing made they talk am? Ah no, you get
My friend, shut up, my friend. They make noise. If I go sit there and make the woman call police for your head, you better person. I can tell you, vroom, he better pass statement and accuse. I tell you.
You be devil. No, can't you not get hurt? Will you streak eat somebody food? You say make we run, follow backyard. And they tell you say what you do not good. You they preach. You not get hurt.
See, man not die, man not rotten. So far we don't chop the food, carry am for belle. No shaking, nothing the shell. I beg. And they go see my babe. They go see my babe. I beg.
You dey go see your babe. You want go steal recharge card? Go give that one again, Abi.
I'm not gonna give her recharge card. I'm not get.
You know, give am.
I'm not give her.
Not be the same person where they call you just and say make you send a recharge card.
Now my girl, it be a woman she be. Now me know as I go take handle the matter when I reach there. That will not be your business.
Your parents just do mistake. Now, liar. Now they supposed to give you as name instead of Kentus. Liar. To lie. No.
Where the follow me?
Go see your Yori.
Carry you go my girlfriend place.
What you buy for inside?
At the Chris? To carry you go my girl, you just like carry goat go show and wear my yam there.
What do you mean by that statement?
I not go carry you go there.
That statement, then what do you use on me?
My girlfriend no go even like my car. You know they like my car come the house.
Every small thing you go to open eye like say, what do you use on me? What they worry you?
No, they push me. No, they push me. Oh.
So as I do like this, I don't get my own baby.
Then go your own baby now.
Hey, go your own.
Then get out.
Get out, idiot. Nonsense.
No, push me last time. I tell you.
If you don't drop that finger, one slap will put on your face. Close that.
I want my take point time.
Close that.
I want my take point time.
Close that mouth. See person.
Get out where my
Get out, idiot. Nonsense. See, more bet. The day where you go die, whether I go cry.
What it concern me? If you like cry, if you don't like, ooh. If you say if I vex, if I see tears for your eye, I go from corner slap another tears enter your eye. Okay? Get away.
Go down that place.
Which kind pride be all this one? Eh? We dey here they suffer because of hunger. You dey here they do strong head. Over make you go beg your small brother for money for help. Eh? Make I tell you, if you no go meet Kevin, me, I go carry my children. Go meet them by myself. I think you know what I go fit do.
If you try am, if you try am, na sack I go divorce you for this house forever and ever.
Eh? So you want make we die for suffer for this house, eh? No work for you.
But Papa, why no one go meet brother Kevin?
Oh.
No be your brother. Eh? No be your brother. Abi don't come in for that side.
I wonder.
You be foolish pikin. Sometimes.
What do you mean say I don't come in for that side? What I go fit come in for my younger brother?
Then go and meet him.
God forbid. Huh. God forbid. Say I go bring down myself. They beg my younger brother for money.
Why not if not? We dey here they suffer since for this house. We dey here they suffer. You don't see me where they will take help you now. You come there they do big boy.
Say no,
Big boy.
Mama, leave me alone.
Papa, you for consider this thing, oh. You for consider her well.
Mama tell her go.
So this man, you want make we dey for this house they suffer, eh? I don't follow you suffer, oh. I don't follow you suffer at all. Because that day, now for better for worse. Yes.
Baby, if you see the way I love you and the way they miss you, if I eat food like this, you know they in my body at all.
But you haven't been keeping to your promises.
I know. And I know you know why. This condition will soon end. As crayfish bend, so my condition I'm concerned.
Where is the creator sent to me?
If you allow me to talk finish, now the problem why they want to tell you now. As I say I come see you now, on my way I enter bus. I'm not saying now this one chance boys now enter. Now push me come out.
One chance.
If not be say the place where push me put na bush.
Are you serious?
I for don't break all these places.
Did they beat you?
Like say they beat me, eh? You know for the pain because I know where they come see. If you see the kind gun where they carry, I thank God say they not shoot me.
Gun?
Yes now.
God forbid. How much did they take from you?
They not take anything when game meaning, just 10,000 naira.
10,000 naira. God will punish those criminals.
Amen,
they will never see good in their lives.
Even in their generation,
God
they will never in their life grow.
10,000 naira.
No? Now I see the pains where they cost me now. The money where I see me I can take spoil my baby small. You know, maybe take something, you know, small thing like this. I don't collect them. And me to even see change where I take go home now. You can't run that trick now, you take go home.
Sweetheart, don't worry, I'll find some money for your tiffin.
Hey, thank you very much.
Don't mention my love. What are friends for?
I will mention it, please. I will mention it.
It's okay.
It's not easy at all.
Sweetheart, you know you're my love.
Yes.
So don't mention it. It's okay.
I can't stop loving you, baby.
I love you too, my love.
If it's not just now, outside now, but just kiss you.
Please. Just relax. Let me get us some drink. So what will you drink?
Drinks again?
Yes.
No, I don't.
No, sweetheart, just tell me now. What do you want to drink? Just tell me anything you want.
Plus the tea fair again.
For my sake. Okay, what will you drink? Please. No, you're my love. Sweetheart, what should we drink?
If you insist.
I insist. What do you want to drink?
I don't want to take anything that is big.
Like?
See the stress where they put you inside. And give me big stout.
Big stout and...
That's all.
That's all. Alright.
He has whether they get goat meat pepper soup.
Goat meat. I'll add ishe for you.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, I'm coming.
Gidi. Yes. Bushmeat, Abi. And she don't go far. I don't want to chop anything that is big. Maybe I get it too. A lovely girl.
I'm not gonna go. I ain't gonna bedroom. What did they talk? You know what this one go do? Huh?
You see, they pay me say your liver they shake. Come back at my son. You know some people they do and they succeed. Sure you know. Me and you know face them like this, bring something where we do like this, where we make us become guy. They. If any of your babes say, bros, I better send me card, you go see card give your babe. Your Yori go happy with you.
Can't choose.
What be that?
Every time they suggest waiting the purpose for trouble. The former suggestion where you bring, we never come up for the result. You don't suggest another rubbish.
What thing I talk when that way they bad now? Yeah?
So you don't see anything way bad for inside armed robbery?
People when they do not 2 head they get. They get 2 heads.
Hey! Me and you go carry gun, go the thief for night.
But you just behave like you don't be man.
To shoot gun na by man?
Na by waiting. No, na by waiting.
You sabi shoot gun?
If he had us, we'll go find people who will teach us gun how to shoot. If he had.
No, that one go waste time. That one go waste time. No need. The best thing be say we'll man go join all these Armed Robbers Association of Nigeria. We'll go join them. Make them use their hand teach us. Idiot. See what they talk more from out.
Your mind bent. Like it vex me too much. Okay, if you know they certified for that one, may I bring first person, like a police friend, go teach us how to handle gun.
Okay, go teach us how to shoot the gun.
Yes.
You not talk that one now. To say you talk that one for novice. You go teach us where we go sabi shoot am abi. That one you for talk. But the Igbo smoking way follow am. Who go teach us that one? Soldier.
Oh.
Talk now because anybody wey wan carry gun for night must smoke Igbo. Or you think all these armed robbers where they go knock people house? Open the door. Go come and open the door now. I shot you. This is not clear.
You know if you get strong heart. Man know that, man know that. Just if you don't take risk, you no go succeed.
So to succeed now, make we go the rob. Hey. Okay, fine. Let's say we decide say we no go smoke Igbo or we smoke and you know craze us. We smoke and we still get sense. We can't go the operation. Okay. We succeed. God help us. We succeed for the operation. As we dey come back, we go jam all these operation sweep, rapid response squad, agile mopo, all these police wey full everywhere for night. They see us with gun. Where we tell them say we dey come from 9VG. Talk now.
You two they go to the other side. They think the other side. I don't know.
How we not go think the other side? Now only one side you go dey think.
Why I know you?
Kentus. So as this your head there now, not enough is suggest any other thing come out other than armed robbery.
Okay, you don't like that one, Abi?
No, I like am. No, where club begin go.
Okay, me will go into oil bunkering. That one, just bunkering, no as it be.
Which one be that one?
You don't know, boys when be say you just go look where all this pipeline, all this petrol pipe, don't cut her, open her, begin suck the man of the oil. Go they sell and they feel a pocket, they feel fine. Like person when get well. Are you well?
Make we go to thief government oil.
I'm not thief. No, our national cake now we just go harvest. Take.
Harvest wetin? Na you plant away the harvest am. The oil na your own. So this boy, all these dream where they dream every time they see you near prison. Not true. You won't die for jail.
I for not know you, I tell you. I for not know you. From since morning now, they suggest they come, they busy, they condemn him.
How I go take him? You dey consider the risk where they involved?
Now we go find where we go see the part first. We go see part first, then we know how we go take problem.
You know the danger where they inside that thing?
Which danger? Can you shut up? Let's go and look for part first.
All this village, where you go here, said the whole village burn. The burn papa, the fire burn papa, burn mama, burn all their children. Everybody die. You don't know that this oil pipeline fire now they cause am.
So if we want go open pipe now, carry all the things we go, we want go take suck the oil. We will carry fire follow body abi.
Now I know say you no get sense. You don't know wetin they call petrol. Your cloth for oil pipeline, if you even light fire, you don't know. Hey, we don't forget the screwdriver. Or we take lose the knot.
You know, so from the signboard where they put for road, from there if you match 10, now the pipe. Would you make us match 15? Because the farm there.
Why you go bench 15 when you don't say that 10 we supposed bench?
And I don't go match 5 come here now.
So we'll come match and go back again?
No, like this place now, we'll go begin find the pipe. We will dig.
Dig where?
Yeah. No, they go get them.
So nothing, you don't get one, maybe one tree, one signboard, one thing, we will tell you where it is, we just dig the go.
That's the way they do, you know they see white men they pass it. When they go put that signboard.
So where we will dig now?
We will dig here. We will dig here because if I measure that from ground. Right here. Supposed to be.
That place. Okay, they dig that side now, they dig that. Maybe one joint go here, another joint go there.
This place is too strong. You're not going to be here.
No, it's good.
This place.
Na soft side, 90 day. You know, say no first dig and that's how they lay the pipe. Because they can't cover them. So you know we can't hard again. Now it will be here. Hi. You hear that thing? You hear that way do come?
You know even far.
I don't reach him. Hey, medicine on leak. Oh. We know who.
We see our place.
Not me, we don't see so. I don't want to make her, if I hit her now, you go bust. You will just leak it away. We know hold hose.
Who go borrow gallon?
No, they go suspect us. You don't know?
Oh, that's in Apamoye.
Which day we start that business? People know us now. See, when we feel to, we'll go sell them. Come back.
People the true way now. What will they cover this?
That one, you know, they read paper, oil spillage. Now that won't be oil spillage.
If they come back here, all this village will don't turn to river. I tell you, know, say, listen, they go.
If you cover the whole village, not be anything, not mean anything. Now make fire down near there, now be the thing. You can cover anywhere now. People just use plate, collect them. So long as fire not reach there.
Okay. How you take get this kind of mind?
You know they consider the punishment where government will give you. You know they consider the one where God will give you.
What will be your problem? This morning when they discuss the way they arrange how they become human being. Now you don't begin call God name put. Somebody will never even decide saying like that. We just put on that say whether we succeed. You don't carry and go God table.
No go carry and go there.
Give us somebody lost one naira and somebody pick him. You know, say he pick him. You know report am to all these small police posts, police checkpoints, police barracks. From there go police state ID. We just move that one another case to IG.
Because he know wetin he go suffer if he not go report to IG.
For one another case.
Now, God don already design hellfire for heaven for people like you. But for this world now, you want first use fire roast yourself. So when you reach heaven, the punishment wey dey wait for you, who go serve am? Na your body wey don burn to ashes for there, na you wan go enter another hell for there.
You just get this house for nothing side. All this your big house, nothing saying, nothing there inside.
In fact, I dey go. Because if I continue to stay with you for here, the next thing now you go suggest make I go bring my mama wey we use am do money ritual. I don dey see am like that. Thief.
Wetin dey worry you? Your liver too soft.
No problem.
Come out. Okay, how we take conclude now?
See, all the friendship wey me and you don dey do, cancel am comot for your mind. Cancel am patapata, bleach am comot for your mind. From today I no know you, you no know me. So you wan put me for trouble? Go your way, make I go my own. See person.
How we take conclude this thing now?
You and who? You wan go hell, you dey find who you go drag follow body go hell, abi? You no go see me.
See this idiot. Your post away not full hair since. You never ask your campaign manager, your post not full hair finish. Just for you to measure what you want contest. This idiot no get sense.
What be say you know the baby? Get as network the comot. You know, we even let me die like just do pum pum pum. But I don't miss this babe die.
May we go to the place go see her.
Huh? What do you mean? Not talk am again, no? Abomination. Not even think am.
What think come make an abomination? You dey fear them?
No! See, the guy don't warn me to make I not come. If the street wey near their house, make I not come here.
Why?
The papa na retired soldier. The man see any guy near their house na shooting straight.
Wait oh.
Waiting.
I'm listening to when my own babe tell me say say
your babe?
Yes. I no come there say na retired soldier say they shoot.
Her papa na retired soldier?
Yes.
So make you not come their house. Kentus.
Huh? Kentus.
Come. What be your babe name?
My babe na Clara.
Hi! Thank God. I don't waka.
Wait there for talk.
I won't get be they do me and you this thing.
See, if I said you sorry for telling you to lose your life because I must kill you. Hey now.
Not be if I give you this place. Even now where I just imagine, say, wait oh, it be like say you get some of our department where I think say na only me they see. Say you fit don see am. As I know say even so as I know say na lie, to kill you still dey hungry me. As I even think I'm alone.
Thank God. You try am.
Hello? Darling?
Manchester. How are you?
Chai, I don't miss you, die.
Alright, where are you? Come and see me now.
For your house?
No. Sure? You want to die? Do you want my brother to kill you?
Yeah, because I don't know what maybe your papa don't change. So where we go see now?
I'm in Mr. Biggs.
Mr.
Biggs. Or don't you know the place?
No, I don't know Mr. Biggs. I don't know him. Which side? I don't know him.
Are you a bushman? Who doesn't know Mr. Biggs?
I don't know that side.
My love, take a bike. Tell them Mr. Biggs will bring you here.
Okay. You don't talk away. I don't know Mr. Biggs you talk. I know.
I'm waiting for you there. You know I can't wait to see your lovely face.
Okay, you did the street.
No, I'm inside.
Inside? Hey. Okay.
I'm waiting for you. See you. Love you.
I love you too. Wait, this baby. Wait, hi. This kind baby. Wait, this kind. Wait, did you go to do for Mr. Big? Oh, but this not the laughing matter. See, what you hold the man to support what you get. What you funny?
I don't get.
Not the laugh now.
You know money? In a good book girl for Mr. Biggs.
Not me, are you there? Now me tell her to go Mr. Biggs.
This money went in my pocket. No. This money I keep am for garri wey we go soak for night. What small thing when I just come out and buy garri.
Don't be afternoon with this. So between now and night, you know what God feed you.
If you no work for today, tomorrow no go come.
Bring her first. Don't worry.
Bros, garri wey we go soak this night. God na keep her there. Me I no forget. If you dey come back, make you buy sugar and groundnut. If you see small salt, buy them because of this evening. I don't feel touch this money for anything.
For inside this money, abi?
Just work. Just let go. Come back. I don't know if when you reach there you go use that money. Just find out your way. Use like
money whenever reach me take come out shame for face from Mr. Biggs. Now you say make I tell the buy sugar.
Go keep my Mr. Biggs. I beg you know the plot I make.
Hi. If you not even this Mama Uwa shop.
Big better girl like that, now you won't go keep for more place. You no get sense.
Honestly, if
do quick, may go meet this girl. May not go there here. They waste time.
If not be say you get as this girl matter they day me for body. This Mr. Biggs not there for my mind at all.
Go if you reach there and the girl ain't go sponsor the thing.
If you can't date the other way, if not be she sponsor.
Hey, you do economy now. Buy small thing, give her.
Buy small thing. You don't know as Mr. Biggs they day. You don't know as babes they behave when they reach there. Give me chips. Give me donut. Give me all this.
Go first. Me I go see you for evening.
Not 12 na plan. Why they force me? They force me.
Buy me meat pie. I beg go first.
Move on, hey. Try it on, my sisters, try it on. Everybody just sing it, move on, Jah Rastafari. Move on, my brothers, move on, me feel high in my area, see? Mr. Buncombe, wow, why your face look bad now? Huh? Why your face look bad? Let me tell you something. Two things happen in my life. Either you want to live or you want to die. So choose one. Here?
Rasta man, water don't pass Gary.
They smoke it up because nothing spoil. Here? Nothing spoil. Smoke it up.
You don't understand. Everything don't spoil for me.
So why you plan them? Why you plan right now?
Now make I come your house now. If you go feel find me small money, even if not 10,000 naira.
Good one. Good one. See, Rastaman, I'm not man panning, but Rastaman have a whiskey. Good one for your drink and forget all your worry. See, drink and feel high, Mr. Buncombe. Here?
You no go fit find me ordinary 10,000 naira.
Me tell you, I'm not quit pan me. Why you want me do? Here? So, why you do your run ways for add place to get what you want?
Now be the wahala now. See, the only person why for fee go meet for money. Now my small brother where they got my house.
So you have a little brother in the Babylon house and you're wandering like Moses in the wilderness. Go and meet your brother if you get what you want. Here?
God forbid.
So why I say Jah forbid? Why I say so?
You no understand. How I go Mr. Buncombe, bring myself knee down, they beg my brother for money. If that boy sabi himself, now him for using mind, calculate, take no say, now him suppose bring money, come give his senior brother.
I know they go I beg.
See, Mr. Bond come me, me beat already. You go that way if you get what you want. Run way. I don't have no time for you. So run
So
way.
you know if you help me.
Me say run way, me done. Rasta man have no problem for him so. Ja, Rasta fan eye. Say Rasta eye. Oh, this is for sure. I don't get solution to our problems. This is boom boom, bing bing.
I feel beg you something.
Wait a minute.
I use your papa and your mama beg you. I beg, not suggest anything to me. I don't need your solution, not suggest anything to me. Now by force.
If this one, see.
Where are they go find work? Now they work up and since I don't come make a rest more like that. So don't suggest anything to me.
I said this one no go fail. Eh? See, this one you go give me an award for my cleverity. If you not give me an award, call me bastard. This one you no go fail. I assure you. They hear me son. Just listen to me first. Yeah?
What will be the thing?
Don't be something we sit down here talk. No go.
You said a better idea. Now why we not fit talking for here?
Come back, just go. Come and tell you.
Why we go hide? If not better idea, talking for here. I know they go anywhere. They go anywhere.
Not be something we begin talking like this.
You won't suggest armed robbery again? I know they go anywhere with you. If you know say a better idea, talking for here.
Okay. May we go into drugs.
You say?
Drugs.
Drugs. Oh God. So you dey use mind commonize all these chemists. Where you want see money to do that kind of business?
We no go put anything for inside. We no go put any just energy, no more. No.
So if we just rent shop, drugs go just come from everywhere, dey for the counter.
Now we go dey manufacture them by ourselves.
Manufacture medicine?
Yes.
Wey human being go drink?
Ah!
As Rambazi abi as Emzo, who will be?
Just me and you. Mentus Kentus Drugs Manufacturing Company. No limited. Just come out limited.
Inside the capsule, what you go to put for there? Sand?
No mind. No mind. We know how to with them. Now me dey here.
We all dey form medicine, put for inside capsule, give person drink. So that who get headache, we'll give am cholera journal.
Oh God.
Since then, Bombi, I never see anybody way stupid like you for this world where they live. So
you dey insult me.
Wait, two people wey never see money eat, now they won't go begin. Satan, wherever you are, I know better for you. Satan, you have failed.
So na me dey call Satan.
Not be you.
Na me you call devil.
I dey call Satan. Where do you like this? Comot the brain wey God put for your head. Put fufu instead.
Make I tell you something. Why you no dey believe me? You dey pay me so much. Prophet, no dey important for where they born am.
How the prophet wanted dey important? Especially fake prophets like you, when they try to deceive innocent citizens like me. It can never be important.
You innocent?
Yes. Oh my God, I don't die. See, now I confirm all the fears where I dey get since I know you.
Just this thing where I can't talk with you, will make me and you take plan them together. Now you just dey spoil like this.
You don't hear of NAFDAC before?
NAF what?
DAC. NAFDAC. Soft the load the salt to no say too much salt the purge belle.
Na English salt.
And you know the purge. Okay.
Mama, not too much. Don't they put yellow and yellow and red?
Not true. Hey! We not go resemble fake.
We don't make auto one cut. Ah!
What do you do that? Waiting.
That man never stop.
You don't take the medicine again?
I take him.
No. Once you take tetracycline, no, your belly must. Why? You don't drink them.
You see when I go buy one, I take him.
Where you buy?
That shop went first market for Okoro shop.
Okoro shop? This man, you want to kill yourself?
What's that?
Hey, that our last consignment. Where did you say I supply am? Now could I give now? You know, say no, they buy for credit. I don't they go other places. So now him now, they give everything. Hey, now salt you pack for Beleo. Hey. What do you go do? Bitter leaf. Mix, wash and wear the water, drink and maybe you go stop. Sorry.
I'll go use the hot ashes. Ashes. Where the fry guy got it.
Okay. They work for this thing.
I go fit down like this, drink the water like that.
Okay. See, would they know where would they buy medicine? I beg. Me person not go kill himself. I beg. Nowhere would they buy. Nowhere would they supply. Sorry.
We don't have to work at them.
Now only chalk no plenty. I tell you, we buy like 10 cartons of chalk. The other time not green. So before you file and can't reach this level, many they waste.
Look at shit.
Okay. Good. Hey. You see her? You don't see her life? No, you see him. The same shit where man live when he travel. Now that same shit he match, carry go in house when he return. You see this business? If you won't go do one, no problem. Go they do one alone. When they don't put you for jail, I go come they give you food, pure water, all those bread, I give bread. I come they give you for there until they survive. But say me and you go do one, forget it. If anything remain for this your head, where resemble brain, go use and think another thing. You hear me so? Nonsense.
I mean, I go find somebody with me that will do business. Now I forget this idiot. I think with the investment we say, Toos, end our name.
Now which kind of nonsense be this? Eh?
Now, no, they sharp me now. I know your husband again.
Now which kind of nonsense love be that? Where you no want to take your responsibility for house?
Kokodi. Now my main responsibility be this now. Every other responsibility in a secondary.
Thank you. If you like, make it be primary. I don't care. Just go bring money for your children them school fees. Then you go come take love as you want them.
Kokodi. Take this thing well, oh. How you think say I go carry this my 2 legs? Go meet Kevin, my younger brother. Bring myself down. They beg him for money. Think I'm well now.
Okay now, Mr. Bonkom. Make you think I'm well, oh. I hold me, Madam Kokodi. Go come give love for all this wahala wey dey for people. Eh? It's not possible, no.
Alright, oh.
Now tell me this one, what you like this? I make I tell you, since you no one carry your responsibility for this as a man, I dey go outside, make I go find money, go back to school.
So?
I dey go thief.
Hey! Oh, go to Liba.
I dey go commit armed robbery. Make I go find money, go back to school. I no dey for this nonsense too.
Papa, as for me, I don't go. Now road that they go start to do a show.
Hey! I don't die. My own don't finish. Mr. Bonkom, I think you see what you don't cause for my children them body. Eh? Now one won't become arm robber and the other one a shower. Do something, oh.
My children, it never reach like that now. Eh? How una go do this kind of thing because of money?
Papa, as you no want shake body, we go shake her for you.
My children, make una take am easy. Eh? What do people go talk? Say this one na armed robber, this one na shower for road.
Una dey waste my time, oh.
Kokodi.
Now wait.
You know one call help me beg them.
Beg waiting. Eh? Beg them. Eh now. Since you say you no want to do like man for the house, leave them, make them go find their way for themselves.
Over my dead body. Fear! I beg you, no go do am.
Papa, then you go do what you supposed to do. Eh? What you supposed to do? Do am.
I go do am. I go meet Kevin. I beg. Maybe I no do this. I beg. I'll go meet Kevin.
You sure?
I go meet Kevin.
You go because now road I dey so.
I beg. Make una no do am. I beg.
I beg my children. I beg.
Mommy.
Make una give am benefit of doubt. And if he fail, me and una go come out.
Yes.
We go do as we like. Finish.
Okay. Wait, so not be like that now. Wait,
I never break your head.
Come first now.
Are you mad? Come.
What are you? I'm not going to take you. Make fight, delay your mind. Come back and tell you something.
No, they suggest rubbish. Idiot. Wait, what are you? Try him.
I piss your head. See how? Leave me alone. Go. Idiot. I'm going to bring suggestion. You dey busy, they spoil them.
You're crazy. Every time they suggest rubbish. No suggest anything to me. I know 1 year.
Come. Cool down, my talk to you. The nonsense. Even I have not beat you since so. What's happening? Now I'm really like waiting. Bring that thing down, idiot. Queens. Listen to me. Bring your mind down. See, that's a new idea. Very bright idea. Let's go into trafficking.
You say waiting?
Trafficking.
You see what I talk? Impersonation, you know how many years for jail? You be police when you want to go begin control traffic.
In the investment say this head where you get as big as it is. I'm not the inside. Trafficking now only when you go begin command motor.
Now waiting.
Human trafficking.
Human trafficking. What do you mean human trafficking?
Pick and market. All these small girls when they say, orange, buy your banana on the street, buy your pineapple. You know, say nobody they follow them. They be alone, nothing. Just call them. How much for all? Hope, it will just give you hope. So you won't buy all of them. Drop them. You go even because say my sister, they say, they come. No problem. You pick them. Lock them up. Wait for another one. Pick them. Sell them. Pack the money.
Wait, who should they collect? The granite or the picking?
The girl or the boy, the picking when they sell them. Nobody know anything about them.
Okay, I don't understand. Where did they talk? Say, will they steal people, children, and go they sell? Very nice.
People when need babysitter for town, they're there.
Okay, very nice. Very nice business. You know, I explain and well now. And I make me be the novice. Very nice business. We go do one. We go do one.
It's a nice one.
But you get one question where you go help me answer. Let's say this December where they come now for Christmas. I follow you go your village.
Yes.
So just they won't enter the house. I hear your papa voice, they cry. Hear your mama voice, they cry.
Why?
And we go enter inside, go ask them now. Well, enter inside. Mama, why they cry? You say your younger sister, that one where they JS3. Say people don't steal them, sell them. I think you go happy.
Your brother. Some people come here. Some people don't know. From us.
What did happen?
Some people can't carry your small brother. Since 10 days today.
10 days?
Yes, 10 days. Oh, Chimo, I want more.
And I don't report to police.
I want more.
Police don't try their best. They can't talk say now people when they do trafficking and then carry your brother.
Trafficking?
Trafficking.
No. It's not possible. No.
Chimo.
No. God forbid it. No, it can become my own sister. It can never happen. Can't.
Which person sister they go they steal? Tell me now, which person sister they go they steal?
For waiting now, we they plan this thing. I go pick my sister.
It go happen like that because you cannot tell me say now only me and you go to do this kind of business for the whole world. As we they steal other people's own, some people they steal your own.
The idea is not common. This is an information. I mean, this is just they come out.
God just open your head, put the idea. Idiot.
Nobody don't get them.
I beg you if you want to suggest something with the which kind of rubbish.
Okay, if you don't want the small picking on no go get ahead, maybe they pick big people. Make all the pay us, they will release them.
As in kidnapping.
Ma'am.
That one good. That one safe now, almost official. You don't know. I mean, if you suggest this kind of, we're not going to quarrel. See, kidnapping and work, people they print card. Hello, do I know you? What do you do? No, I'm a kidnapper. Oh, really? Pleased to meet you. Bring out the card. The rain now. I want the rain. Just catch like 2-3 people. They write your name for newspaper. The next day you go out, go tell government say, I be ex-militant. I put your name for book. Every month they pay you salary.
So what is it?
For say you get hard to do that kind of work.
Official work.
Yes, it's very official. So now that one now we'll do them. Kidnap very nice. Very nice. Even collect monthly salary join. No. Hey, but we don't get gun. How would we manage?
Not true. If we go buy this toy gun, cut them, paint them.
Toy gun?
Yeah, now.
Hi.
Nobody go know.
If we go kidnap all these people, they do judo and karate.
Right.
They call discover say that thing and toy gun, the big thing. May not be say we won't kidnap people, now we they will come kidnap.
The Muhammad Ali generation. Don't take punch like this. We go to look person who will go kidnap.
Okay.
All this person you know say it, but you know well, we will catch them. At least if you know even well, it's good so that if you dey they sick, the people go quickly
come. No, not be even that one make them good though. Waiting make sick one good, we say at least they know if he beat us. We go beat them plus the sickness.
And we go quickly do something because if they die for our camp.
Why you don't look and say the guy in the threatening in the green answer again, we don't leave him.
Or we release them.
Go form another camp.
Okay. Go.
You are free.
Go be ordinary work.
No, this one good.
No, go.
This one good. If they do like this, we don't me and you don't go to quarrel now. Oh my God.
But the way you take the fight, you mean one small thing, you don't fight. One small thing like this, you don't mean them.
No. And then they like when you suggest something finish. When I don't agree, follow you go and finish, we'll come into trouble.
If not be said the problem wait there for me. But by now, by the fight the way they bring fight, your face will never remain the same.
Okay, I'll just keep my face and make you the pan a bit. Then you're I'll leave him.
You don't know me, not make you the talk.
Oh.
No, go chop.
Come on. I mean you won't threaten.
Nothing they happen, no matter waiting it be. My yori must confess to, cause I don't turn to Dundee. When we did together, chai, my body they scatter.
Very nice.
Where they hustle, now for you my baby.
It's a big baby biscuit too.
You like it?
Nice one. Blend foreign.
Yes, so this is Nigeria. This one is foreign biscuits.
Oh my God. Hey, man, if you live here, you can buy things. Very nice. Hi. You get what's in my mind.
What is it?
I just think of the day when me and you go date together, you know, for the same house. As husband and wife, they do things together, bond things together.
Oh my love, I can't wait for that day.
Now this thing, they tire me. Every time you go, they say you can't wait. Person they get hope, they say you can't wait. You won't die before that day?
God forbid. No, that's not what I mean. What I mean is I want to come to your house and be you. That's what I mean.
Now be the meaning of I can't wait.
Yes, no.
You go they talk and well now. You know, think on the sound like say you won't travel, you won't disappear. Can no book. Oh dear. Aye. You get one day where I don't nearly get. Once I get them, forget all these things where they buy. Waiting with this. The things where I go buy.
Are you serious?
Just imagine as you say now. Say I put 1 million inside you.
Oh my God.
All these things where they see, the way they call them, they go, they shook out.
That would be wonderful, my lord.
Front, back, everywhere.
That means you're taking me to London, America, South Africa, which one?
All the Ricas, think anywhere, any country where Rica end up, you are there. America, South Africa, West Africa, North Africa, any Rica, I'll take you.
God. Don't worry, I'll pray for you. I'll even start fasting and prayers for you to work very fast and very well.
Too much, babe.
Oh my God, I can't wait to call you. You know I love you. I love you so very much.
You do fine. You do fine. Another thing. You know, they get chance come out like that. If I tell people say my girlfriend a fine girl, they don't believe me.
Why?
Because I they see you to show them. Eh? At least I supposed to hold your picture. Even if not passport. Look at it, they cool my mind down.
Okay.
Anytime where they miss you, even a small pecking, I'll peg the passport.
Oh, you mean pics?
Pics. This thing, photo anyone.
Okay. I think I have one with me.
Yeah.
I'm not very sure, but I think.
You give me.
Let me see.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Let me check.
Oh my God, oh my God. How they going too fine? When they worry you.
Do you love that?
Love? Overlove it. If not be say speed goes spoil, but just kiss this.
Oh my lord.
Baby, too much. At least when I miss you, I'll put them on my heart. Show my friends, put them on my heart go cool down.
Oh, sweetheart, I have to run along. I also have to be in the house in the next 30 minutes before my father comes back. Or else, believe me, I'll be in real trouble.
Hey.
I have to keep going.
Okay, no problem.
But before that, my peck.
I'll give you many things.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'll take care of you.
Yeah.
Call me.
No problem. You don't give them money, Abby?
I have settled the bill.
Oh. Just don't worry, let me have my face. You'll see the things while they buy.
Alright.
Make it no waste. I all man carry them go out.
My sweet baby, my Egovina.
The God will make me know you, may put us together must be God of peace and understanding. Do you want to understand that your papa, they harass people for a place, harass, one kill. You know that people go to visit you for us.
You know my dad was a soldier and the thing got into his blood and entire system. Do you know that sometimes they get tempted to twist us like soldiers in their house too? Can you beat that?
Yeah. The man to say, it is a incident for balance, what front?
You see, that's why he can't come to my house and I can't come to your place.
No
too.
problem.
Because he has a lot of spies who monitor where we go and what to do. Can we meet in places like this?
I'm not get problem. Yeah. So far, I will see you when I want to see you. Talk to you when I want to talk to you. Play with you when I want to play with you. Love you when I want to love you.
I love you so much.
No, the only time I go first if you say I not see you.
No, you won't get to that. We are not grown-up girls in higher institution, so it has its extent and its limits.
Thank God. At least make you know that one. I see the way they were going to say I could get money. They carry you, go spoil you with the gentleman.
Sweetheart, don't worry. It will happen. Your business will click, and I know you'll do what is on your mind for me.
God is able. God is able. You get one businessman go for him now. If he enter, if he click, if I hammer, I go show you say this love, you get uprooted.
So, I can't wait. Oh my God, I can't wait for that day.
You can't wait. Why? Where you gonna go? That's why when you day, all of us day you wait with the suffer. Now when something won't happen, it won't come out.
Oh God, that's not what I mean. You understand? That's not what I mean. What I mean is that I want Daddy to come so fast and quick so that it will happen.
Whoa. It will happen very soon.
I believe you. I know what you can do.
Mr. Buncombe, Rasta said don't kill yourself in the Babylon people here. Just drink and be happy. Feel high. Here?
No be drink the bother me. What in the worry me? Now how I go take get big clothes, take go government house, go see my brother.
Then go borrow some Babylon clothes for you gauge up yourself to see your Babylon brother in the government house. Here?
Where I go fi go borrow big clothes, take go see Kevin, my brother.
You know something, Mr. Buncombe? We gonna get some Babylon clothes, you know, for your wear tomorrow. So tomorrow, come to my house. We go give you some here.
Master Rastaman, now make I like you. I no go waste time come your house tomorrow.
God bless her. Yeah, just drink on. Drink. Thank you.
It get as my mind they do. I don't understand. It get as I know. Me will come up for here. In short, I don't be hungry. Me will go.
Me waste more now. If you come out now, that thing we will wait for 6 will come out. I will not go see him.
Person who would wait for 6 months, never pass here. Now this kind of thing won't pass here. See, me will come out to. You know, say police don't they walk where now. Small time now. They see us like 2 times, 3 times. They begin ask us where ID card. We don't see any talk. Oh.
So what do they talk? Me will close.
Me will close. Me will close. You just say to kidnap person easy. No power they take risk. Even if we see anybody catch now, the power to even take whole lamb, call them down, tie them,
tape off mouth,
tape the mouth. Kidnap. Not use small eye look kidnap you. That thing they just the right hand. It come like say they cheap. It's not easy. To kidnap person not be small work.
So me will go.
Make sure say we eat well, bath well.
We'll come out early tomorrow.
Yes, but not be here. We'll not come here again. We'll not come here again. No, some of these neighbors feed on they look us through the window since.
Maybe go just show us person when get money.
Yes, from a cloth. We'll check the cloth we wear.
No be by cloth too. Exactly, I know they do wonders. So.
Okay, some poor people they get fine clothes. Not true. Not true. Hey, nah, we just go peace.
How I be?
You fine now? Papa! But this dress where you go borrow from person, it good though. But it be like say the thing too fine. Papa Bridget, you sure say your brother Kevin go agree give you the money where you won't go collect? If he see you for this concourse?
Yeah, Kokodi. You know not saying I government house and they go. If you wear chicken dress, go there. They don't even let you pass the gate. Not talk of seeing the person you want to see.
That's what they do for that place.
You not see them for TV. See all of them where they go government house. Now concourse then they wear with big cap.
Oh yeah, wear your big cap now.
Then go forgive me the cap now, so don't wear the concourse.
Oh yeah, make you go ready. Go quick go. Because time don't they go.
Papa, you fine now.
And they come, then go no say someone like me enter government house today. And they come.
Yeah, Magnus. Yeah, Magnus.
Big man, fit out.
Papa, you too fine today. You look like House of Assembly.
Hey.
But him don't have no cap on him ear now. That's why me Rastaman bring the cap, you know, Babylon cap. If you wear upon your ear to go see your bad ear brother in the Babylon house. Take it now.
Master Rastaman. Thank you.
Indeed.
Rasta, thank you.
Respect.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rastaman. Thank you.
If I know they here, I know will not say this one is my husband, Mr. Buncombe.
No, Papa don't change from Mr. to Malam Buncombe.
Hey, if your brother Kevin see you like this, He go back for you. He go take speed, go give you the money where you can't collect from your hand. But Papa Bridget, as you dey go, no take leg waka go government house. So I no safe to say I no tell you. You go waka from here, go government house. Go disgrace this big fine dress where you wear.
Papa, see when you come out from main road, you go take small money, carry drop motor, we go carry you reach government house. Then you go tell her make you wait, make you use the money come back.
Now you said the whole money go finish for transport now. Anyway, make I reach road first.
Papa, wait. You feel sing national anthem?
Which one be national anthem? Now next time they go do for government house.
You feel it there now. They say make you sing before they allow you enter inside.
Even that one, no problem now. I over sabi myself. I feel sing them anytime.
Papa. Okay, if they say make you sing them, how you go take sing them?
Dum 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 dum. Nigeria, we held our own their native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigeria, all are proud to serve our suffering motherland. What do you remain?
Now waiting. Why not call the laugh on now?
Mama, and the old one, Papa, they sing on the old one.
But this one don't expire since, so don't go sing at that side. If you sing at that, you go enter governmental prison direct.
Hey,
so what happened? No, be this one was sent for independent.
Papa, they don't change them. Oh yeah, listen, make we sing the new one. Oh yeah, let's go. Arise, O compatriots.
Nigeria, come obey to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes shall never be in vain. To serve without our might, one nation, one freedom. Peace and unity.
It is sweet.
It's sweet, child.
Sweet. Did you want that, Papa?
This new one sweet, very well.
I know what you go to today. But I know say, all the stuff we do so finish. We know we'll go empty hand.
Take them now, no be a government house, so we are here.
Strong your face, strong your face.
What do you want?
What do you want? Our family.
Family, fine.
Okay.
I beg no delay me, I go government house.
No problem, sir. I just want to greet.
Okay, then.
Watch. Let's go. Keep on smiling, man. Don't you call up? Huh? Good boy. So when you come back now, you don't tell since when you come say you go visit us. It's not good though. You probably say you come visit us, you know they come. Uncle. Good boy. Why they smile? Why they find your face? Smile. You're smiling, my dear. Enjoy yourself. You're smiling. Good boy.
Mommy, I want to buy shirts, trousers, and some shoes.
Now you stay for there, the talk. Go carry Bible paper, write them down.
Thank you, Mom.
Mommy, now just make up I want to. Mary Kay and the others.
Hey now, when Magnus finish writing your own, you follow go write your own too.
Yes, you're
right. Mommy, I forget say our association for school say make we bring 100,000 for social Bridget, remind me again. Social ecumenism.
Magnus. Huh? Make una take am easy with this money now before una go finish am. Make una leave small for me and una papa to take care of ourselves well now.
Mommy, my own social club say we go bring 50,000 naira only for Nebraska evaluations and equilibrium measures.
Hey! Bridget,
Mommy,
you won't keep person.
How can? I no fit kill person now, Mommy. How?
This your own sound well. Yes, when you write finishing, just write am, John.
Bridget, make sure say they talk through.
You no go fit talk lie now. The Oyibo big well.
Yes, Mommy. I no go lie.
Where the big Oyibo? Now wetin your papa come dey do since yesterday when he come out go see Kevin? Eh?
Maybe the money we brother Kevin give him too big. So therefore, brother Kevin no go let him come back for night. Me and robbers will not thief the money.
But he ain't go quick come now. Make person go buy something.
Hey, where this crazy bad-eared man? Him not back yard? Huh?
Pastor.
Huh?
Now what you dey vex like this?
Woman, where your husband dey? Huh? Where they close me half for me feel weird? So, the people them they pound me neck so. Yeah, here? Them they pound me neck and if me not bring it, me go kill him. Here?
Now because of ordinary dansiki, when my husband borrow from your hand, now you dey shout like this.
Huh?
Eh? You know where my husband go? He don't go in brother place, Kevin. Go bring money come. And by the time when you go come, we go come buy you and those your friends new clothes on the
See, you are crazy bad-eared woman, me tell ya. Yeah? You are crazy. Me no care about how much him go get. What me care about is the clothes me give him feel wear. Here?
Rasta, you say me crazy?
You are crazy.
Your head not correct. See as it be.
Me don't care.
Hello? Who be this? Eh? Kidnapper?
Now wait. Bridget, Mama, now who they kidnap?
They say na kidnapper.
Kidnap who now?
Papa.
Which papa?
I will bring 2 million.
Hey! See, my own don't finish.
You see what?
Where?
See them kidnap him with the clothes me give him feel wear? Eh?
Rasta. Then they talk about my husband kidnap you. They talk about clothes when you give and borrow. Now what did they worry you?
Me not care. Me not care here. Me not care. When me come back, I want to give my clothes, okay? If him not give me my clothes, me go kill him. Me tell her so. Bye.
It be like say you don't go smoke that thing where they smoke. See as it be. Yeah, man. Hey, Bridget, come on. Your father na mumu. I felt talk and say he na mumu man. See him now. He no fit kidnap person. When person they kidnap her, carry money go.
See list why I write. I won't take do am now. I won't take do this list.
Bridget.
Mama.
Then they talk about your papa where they kidnap. They talk about list.
Mama, the list.
I can't go my sister place.
I'm going to ask questions now, not the talk. I'm going to ask you something, not the talk. Why your people never call us the way we agree? I mean, they wait me with vex. I mean?
Why you not dey panic now? My people go settle. No worry.
Which year? Huh?
No, this your vex is spoil something now. See, the important thing now, make una no just let anything happen to me because if something happen to me, I sort of go come here.
Is that? No, see. Mo no follow him bad mouth. Mo no follow him bad mouth. What is the one you? Mo no follow him bad mouth. Wait. Let me wait. Ma, ask something.
Wait. Now you kidnap us, Abina, we kidnap you.
No, not kidnap us.
Now you won't tell us how to handle you.
Una send money on I want, Abi. See, me una go buy me beer, make I drink first. The money when they ask, when I go add the beer, join them.
Beer? As they beer, they hungry you. First chop apple first.
Wait.
Take apple.
Sorry. See, you want drink beer?
So now go buy me beer. Una know here when they kidnap Oyibo for the other side. Say then they take care of them well, make the millions they come.
So you know you be able?
No be money una they ask.
If you want drink beer, you go the softly talk am. Not they do like say you dey force us.
Make una buy me beer now. Otherwise, I fit tell my people make they no bring money for my head though.
Shut up!
Easy.
What you work at?
I don't know. Hey, come. May not be so. Anyway, come and see you.
May una go talk.
See, if you like, make you go jump that window. Well, then you go for put. It better make we kill you by ourselves than you go kill yourself.
I know they run.
Better.
My money they come on. I know they interested in the business. May una go talk.
Our other members, they did this place. If you try one bullet.
But may una no forget the beer shower.
Why? Think that you must spoil this business. Eh? Why the challenger man the challenger? You won't make it verse? You know say if that man verse telling people say we not treat him well, they no go give us the money.
We want the killer here.
What be that? We're waiting. Come on, yeah. Me and you know say we not get anything. We they pretend. We get gone. If that man just do mistake verse, now me and you don't enter trouble. This is what we beat him.
That bread.
See, make we buy him beer so that he go dey comfortable. When the people come, they go even increase the body of the axle.
Where the money now? Where the money?
Even if na borrow, make we borrow, buy him. At least when the people come, we go know us to take one.
From where? That man's just the money in pocket.
For that place.
That thing, you know, see where money the inside. I tell you.
Now to that guy will get money.
You will go around and search him. Bring anything come out from pocket. You no go fit do anything. And would they pray make this country they good?
Which kind of country be this? So people just they lie. Nobody they patriotic at all. So this man of it talk one true,
common truth.
Hi. So upon this condition when you did, we be say just give us this money, make we help you. It's still a lie.
Put it in the pocket.
The person who go repair this country never come.
Just.
Come, Bridget. The time when those people call your number, then tell you whether they catch your papa with the money where you go collect from Kevin.
Oh, I want to catch that side, Mama. No.
So, they don't catch your papa with the money where Kevin give him. Eh? Hey. Now be say, we go come up for fry pan, go jump enter his fire again. I don't tire for suffer.
Mama, I know sure say those people catch Papa with the money. If say they catch Papa with the money, I have to go leave Papa now, collect the money. Maybe they don't catch Papa before he reach Brother Kevin side.
Eh.
Yes, think I'm now.
In that case, I go meet Kevin. Go collect the money. They bring my husband come out.
No. Motion not supported at all. I will collect money where we get here. We will take support. Can go give another person.
Which motion not supported? Shut up your mouth there. They don't catch your papa now. If we no do something, they will kill him there. Good.
We fit get another papa now.
Bridget,
make I tell you now. These people, they no go kill papa. If they wait, nobody can bring money. They go leave papa make you go.
That one not true.
I see what you talk, sense down.
So, those ways support. Say make I go collect the money. Take some family problem. Make una raise up your hand.
I carry my two hands up.
Majority don't carry the votes. Now so, my husband come up for house. Come meet you. Say make you help us. Make the children for go back to school. Now they come kidnap it. Come call us for telephone, say, make we bring 2 million. As you see me so, I don't get that kind of money. Now make me come with you.
You mean that kidnappers are holding my brother Bonkon?
Since yesterday.
And they're asking for 2 million?
2 million naira. I beg you, my husband. No let them die for their handle. Now the husband who I married from small Peking. I beg.
No, he won't die. My only brother, he won't die. I will do something about it.
Oh.
Meanwhile, are the children back to school?
Now those ones we still talk about. Not be as my husband, now my husband how now would think now.
Don't worry about my brother. We will take care of him.
Okay.
Let's solve the problem of the ones returning back to school first. Juliet, darling.
Yes, honey.
Please come.
Okay, honey. Ah, Auntie Kakodi. Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon.
Yes, mommy. Welcome. Oh. Yeah, how's the children, ma?
They're fine, no. See as you just fine like who they come up for water.
Ah, thank you. Thank you, ma. Honey, you called me.
Yes. Her husband ran into kidnappers and they took him away to no destination.
Kidnappers? When? Auntie Kakodi, how?
Now yesterday.
Heavenly Father. Honey, what are we going to do about this?
Hello? Yes? Who am I speaking with? Oh, yes. So how much do you want for his release? 2 million? Don't you think that is too much? No, don't harm him. We will pay. Please give me 2 days and I will bring the money to where you choose.
Oh.
Thank you. I will see them next tomorrow.
Okay.
Meanwhile, let's settle Auntie Kokodi. Let's come. Auntie, don't be too worried about my brother.
Oh.
Don't relax your mind.
I don't hear.
I'm seeing the suffering in your face. Please, keep your mind cool so that you can take care of the children. Nothing is wrong with you.
I don't hear.
Yes. You will be safe. Thank you. Auntie, take this 300,000 naira and go back home to send the kids back to school.
Kevin! Hey! Save money, oh! 300,000 naira!
Yes.
For us? Hey, wait. Kevin, thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Hey, God go bless you until you fence.
Amen.
Let's say go run like River Niger from the house.
Amen.
Make a quick day go. Hey, una do it.
Let her miss you.
You feel finish am? You finish am?
Man, no worry now. I go manage am.
You wanted the bigger beer now? Make it not waste. Your brother will soon come, Abi?
Then they come.
Then they come?
Then they come. Be patient. Very soon now they go call on.
Oh, God. Hi. God is wonderful. God don't share the money by himself now. 1 million. I said God don't share the money by himself. 1 million. Who they told me? Another person there here. I said the money God don't share now. 1 million. You just never begin crazy. I go sit down, they crack my brain, they think about something. When I don't bring them out, can't tell you fight me first. We'll fight, quarrel, tear share first. At the end of the day, you can't share equal with me, Abi. If your mind they tell you say when the money come now, I won't be like I'll give you, you go believe them. So when two people get 2 million naira, how else they want to share them? Huh? Oh, on the sense where you want to bring Abi? No problem. Now you get the industry. I said now you be the MD of the company now, Abi. Sir. What do you want to give me, sir? Make I tell you now if you don't know. 10% say the job come from me. Okay. 10% external. Say you dey.
We know they wanna plan them. 10% internal will be my own. Then the remaining one, we share them 60-40.
And I never include my share.
Wait, you suppose collect another 100%. Say na your mouth, na you take the talk so. Abi?
You did help me, Abi.
Then you not collect 100%.
May I tell you now? That's it. When you the one, when you the look for since. God, all this one and I come.
God punish you. You forget that my phone will they call their brother since. Okay, you don't go.
Una never put my own share.
Go home, move. We not kidnap you again. Go.
See now, if you get up here, I will empty your belly here and I tell you.
I know they go anywhere. Make una bring my share because now maybe the far where the lady ain't going at the share.
So I'll break your bones.
No, una no kill una self now.
If you die anybody here,
una never see money on the fight.
Come touch the 2 million and touch them.
Now what do you want to talk about?
Come and touch the money now. They wait.
Shebi, now when they give you the money, now you will talk about this one. See, make I tell you the truth. You don't know me. You see this thing? I don't scatter them.
Me una no fight oh. Money never come on the fight.
What do you want to do? No, tell me, what do you want to do?
Una one kilo na save for money well na never see.
Okay, wait for outside. You say what? Me? You say? Okay, now bad low.
Bridget, oh yeah, take this 20,000 naira. Pay your school fees. Buy everything where you need for school.
Thank you, Mommy. Go use the money away.
Magnus, my son. Take this one too. Buy everything where you need for school and pay your school fees.
Thank you, Mama. But excuse you never give me something for Umu Aruba for school.
Now what be that?
Umu boys, the security boys where they take care of school now. If not, they go kidnap me. And if they kidnap me, they go bring plenty money.
Magnus, if they like me, they kidnap you. Tell them say you don't get papa or mama. In fact, tell them say you be orphan.
Those boys, they don't go use hear this in one of the talk. Everybody they settle them.
Oh yeah, how much you want to settle them?
At least 20 grand go female them down.
20,000? What for?
You want me to kill the only brother where you get? Oh yeah, take settle them.
Okay, no problem. Mommy, you get some lecturers where they do disturb us for school. I go need some more money, might take settle them. Make them not go with me.
Bridget, jealousy don't start now. Hey, so because I give your brother money, make it take settle wait till you call her. Now you can't say you can't talk about lecturer.
Mommy, you don't go understand. Not be so. This men, they feel rape me, and I feel die as they rape me.
That's all good. Since we go market tomorrow, when we reach market, we go buy you strong jeans, and when you wear this jeans, they know if you enter the treasure.
Mommy, you don't understand. This man, they get big scissors so they take the pieces the jeans anyhow. This treasure could open mouth, they look there.
Mama, waiting Bridget they talk na true. These lecturers, their business for school now to hire hotel rooms where they stay and slaughter our guests.
Then they use juju, they catch all those ladies, they go there.
No. Exam and that they carry us, force us, go to the slaughterhouse.
Now, that one they easy. If I be you, I go just friend that lecturer and all this problem go don't pass.
Me. Don't understand. If not only one, I go fit, I feel manager. But there be 20.
20? I beg my daughter. I know what it be to face one man. Not to talk of 20. Now how much you need? We go to settle them.
Mommy, about 40,000.
Bridget!
Mommy, I will give each of them 2,000 naira each.
That one good now. Take settle them. I think I don't settle all of them finish.
No, we never give us money for handout.
Hey!
Now these are people where they sell bread and they start generator. Thank God, if they know say we'll keep somebody here, they will not call police.
Guy, not be that one my problem now, I beg. My problem now, what you will wear tomorrow? When we go collect the money.
What do you mean what we will wear tomorrow? We pass trouser and shirt.
No. Look. Oh, you just saying lazy we go? No, don't try it. If we won't go there, we go deck. Even our car will change. Strong face. So that immediately they see us, they don't say, yes, this guy is hard. If anybody wants to show color, we beat, give and blow, collect the money.
Where the shirt go for come? Where the shirt?
We go collect them now. We. No, true self. This idiot now no go respect himself. Okay, what you go up say? Make only you go. I'll stay with him.
Better make I go because if you leave me with them, before they come back now for outside they go meet in leg. I go kill and share the meat. I dey vex.
I go follow na go. Because na my money na they go collect.
You follow us go here. Kneel down.
No, my money.
Kneel down, kneel down. Kneel down. Go to the following places.
Bros, he never reach like that.
Kneel down, kneel down.
Na joke I dey
raise up your hand.
He never reach like that.
Raise up your hand.
I dey follow na joke.
You have to do punishment, you never collect am.
Poison still.
Poison. I hide down. You go die for here now. Just come on.
Like that now.
Say make you wait for us for outside. Make we settle small quarrel this afternoon.
You want take advantage?
You want begin escape?
Bros, tell am now. Say I know me now.
Who be your bros? Me. You dey force me make I vex now.
Bros, I know me now.
Get. No dey talk. Raise up your hand.
I hope you be better material.
God say we say you come from better family. If not, guy, where you go?
May I go? May I go bring shirts?
No wahala.
Shey make I get up.
You no fit shut up.
Bros, you won't leave me here. You know what time make it.
You get lost when I make the mud.
So this Nidana, you know manage like that. Now when I begin you slap.
Bros. Na no saying my leg dey pain me.
You no fit shut up. You sure say they go come?
No hide first.
See one motor?
Yes.
Who be them?
Not them.
Yeah, we'll go be them. Where they go? People who the wait for don't come. You say make we no go. Make we go meet them now. What if they carry the police?
Why? Look at you.
Look at this idiot. No, they here monitor them. We hope best brother you won't carry police. What do you concern police for the matter?
You won't go show yourself. No, you won't show yourself now. Go show yourself. Mumu. The one they bring up phone.
They bring up phone?
Yeah. But they won't call us. Hello.
Hello? We have brought your ransom money. And we are right to the appointed place.
Okay. We'll carry police.
How can? No. We are all by ourselves.
Okay, we'll come just a moment when I wait.
Thank you. Please try and make it fast.
What do you mean quick? Now you go tell us what to go do.
Not at all. You can take your time, sir.
But I'll wait till they come.
Okay, sir.
You say what?
I think come out quick.
You want her to give us the money?
Move, just move.
They go.
We are looking for a person.
Yes. We are looking for somebody.
That is, una person lost.
Yes.
Una bring anything?
Yes, we brought the ransom money.
Okay, the money be this.
Yeah, yes, this is the money.
They call us.
Now we be the people now.
So it's you?
No.
You did that us, we know resemble kidnappers. You know they look at our face?
You're under arrest. Under arrest. Move.
Huh?
If you move, you have yourself to blame.
Out there. Hey. Which kind of country be this? Nobody they fit talk true.
If you move,
ransom.
You have yourself to blame.
Even police they lie. You know if you tell us that you be police. You deceive us.
Come on, move it.
Aye.
Ransom, get.
Move it. Enter this way. Enter.
Yeah. Ransom.
Move straight. Come on.
I swear, if you don't make the money available today, I will cut your meat like suya.
I never go use the money. I never give out to your children. When I take pay their school fees. I be not with them.
Okay then. Now I'm be saying that your pieces then go come see because you they go meet God today.
Hey.
Just wait for me.
What's he do? It's God.
Where that woman there?
Nothing they happen, no matter how waiting it be. My yori must confess though, cause I don't want to Dundee. When we did together, chai, my body they scatter. Even hustle where they hustle, never you my baby girl. My yori my sweet baby my Robina, my baby sweet, sweet baby, you're lovely lady, you're echo B, you're baby nada you. I will love you forever, my you're rain and thunder. You say I love and fire, you can't look fit when you're everything that I do now because of you, you're baby. Everything where I tell you not true, anything when you want I go do. I no go tire, even if I was up your water, I go continue to hustle for my baby girl. My yori my sweet baby my Robina, my baby you're sweet, sweet baby, you're lovely lady, you're echo B, you're baby nada you. I will love you forever, my yori rain and thunder. You say I love and fire, you can't look fit when you're sweet, sweet baby, you're lovely lady, you're echo B, you're baby nada you. I will love you forever, my yori rain and thunder. You say I love and fire, you can't look fit when Shay, this love no be play, and you be the pilot, now me be the plane. Hey, today not today, my hook or crook, I must make this pay. You know I'm a very big boy, the only problem is say I just stay poor. I still get hope, with yori here, I'm sure I go home.